Hey guys, Big T, TNT Garage Videos, down here at the Savannah Train Museum, or actually just a Savannah Museum. It does have the train stuff, but it's got a lot of stuff about the history in Savannah and the Civil War and even before. Just thought I'd give you a little insight here. I really love the train. That is actually a part of the old original tracks that were there. They just put cement over everything else. As you can see, the tracks just go right into that cement, and that is one of the old train cars that was here during the time. And there's one of the, I guess that's one of the loading stations where they come in. That looks like Eli Whitney's cotton gin over there. He used to take the cotton, and of course they made clothes out of it, and there's a big bale of cotton. You see this cotton over here, honey? A whole bale of it. The what? Office tools.
Right there, and there it is, and then you clip it in like that. That looks painful.
Oh, dentistry. Oh.
Yeah.
That's a weird looking light, ain't it?
Yeah.
Who is the dentist's name on that plaque?
Right there's the dentist, Belfort.
William T. Belford. That's cool. Okay. I don't have a lot of power on my phone. Oh wow. Just showing some of the train cars and the luxury of the train car. Look at here. I told you there was a train used to go to Tybee. Here's a Tybee depot right here. Well, my mom used to tell me about it because she used to ride out there. Central of Georgia. This place is pretty amazing in here. I don't know if you've ever been here. You ought to come sometime. It's well worth to get a little bit of money to come and see all this. Oh, that's some nice stuff there. This is very interesting. Wow. Looks like the French and the British and the Americans had a battle. That's a nice cannon. Now little Savannah. Nice old 13-star flag since we were the 13th colony. Alright guys, I just thought I'd show you a little bit of that, and I'll try to show you some more in a little bit. I'll take care. See you later, bye.